Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We want to take a look at the daily chart first, and ADA is still in this larger support area, which briefly got broken on Monday, Sunday to Monday, and the price broke below that 50% retracement and moved down temporarily all the way to around about 51 cents, then recovered rapidly, however, but has not yet managed to really form a sustained upside breakout from there. So we are still dealing with the same pattern, the same structure. Possible way for low. I explained that in yesterday's video as well. Even though it's steep, it is technically still valid, and we're currently watching if the market can generate an upside reversal in a wave 5 to then reach ideally one second, to then reach ideally the area around $1.42. That would be sort of the first target. The next target that should be reached if the December high is broken, $1.42. But that's really just a marginally higher high. I would prefer if the price could reach at least 172 in this fifth wave, better 236. So next target is 142, but it should minimally reach 172 and ideally 236. I mean, upside extension is always possible. That all based on the condition that the last swing low is holding at around 52 cents. Now, there is a micro support area above that that we will take a look at on the micro count chart, one hour chart in a minute. But overall, yeah, let me just reassure you that for now, this yellow scenario is valid, even though it is a very, very deep wave 4, and I explained in yesterday's video some alternative structures, like, for example, we can, instead of calling that an A, B, C to the upside, I can easily call it a WXY, and then this here is an A, B, C, which would explain the deep B wave. But it's overall, overall that wouldn't really change much. Important is that if another low forms below the Monday low, I have to assume a different wave count. I would then probably watch the orange count, which is questionable. In the orange scenario, just to explain that, the swing low that formed in August, was never the actual B wave low, but it would move here. And then all of this correction simply extended in a large range. We have another chance to move up then afterwards. That's possible. These overshooting B waves, that would be in the orange count a B wave. They do happen in crypto. So I can't rule that out, right? But that would be what, let's say, a still bullish alternative. But then we just, then we have to assume that we're testing the August lows again, which isn't particularly great. So for now, there is a micro support area on the 1 hour chart that basically helps us distinguish between the orange count and the yellow count. Let's take a look at that. Before we do that, quick announcement, you might have heard about it. We've now launched our global channel, MCO Global. It's going to be the central hub, let's say the central nervous system, the heart of MCO. It's going to be our new main channel. Don't worry, the Morecryptoonline channel will still exist with the same content, but MCO Global is for different content that just doesn't fit to Morecryptoonline. There will also be crypto analysis here, but also, we talk about the NASDAQ, we talk about geopolitical content. There will be things about, Fed and interest rates, what truly moves the markets, market sentiment, how do Elliott waves work, trading tutorials, things like that all will be on this channel. It will be high quality content, less content, but high quality, different to the also high quality market updates we do here on Morecryptoonline, but they are just rapid short-term updates, right? That's different. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Let's see if we can get it to 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers next. Shouldn't be much work to get it to that number. Let's talk about the shorter time frame then. Let's talk about the shorter time frame. Here you can see the support area that I just mentioned. So we see the low from Monday, which was obviously a rapid sell-off, and then a quick recovery. I don't have a very clean micro count here. I tentatively call it a wave 1, but I'm always saying it now in all these videos since Monday that the microstructures on the altcoin charts aren't particularly clear from the lows. So I don't want to tell you something is clear if it's not. It's not guesswork, but it's just low confidence. So, but we still have levels to watch, and they are objective. So I would prefer the low is in, absolutely, but obviously it takes more evidence to indicate a low is in. Now I see this as an A wave down, B wave up, and we now move down in the C wave. That's possible. Support area is between 56.7 cents and 68.9 cents. And I see this here as a wave 2 corrective pullback, potentially. Yeah. So if the upside expectations, or if we believe in upside, yeah, some of you might do that. Again, I would prefer the low is in, but it's still very fragile. Then the 56.7 cent level should hold. And we have an initial A wave down. This here looks like a B wave up, and we could come down in wave C, which should be a 5-wave move, you know, like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. But it is also possible that the B wave extends sideways. That's why I put the triangle pattern here on the chart. So triangles can, or B waves can be triangles. It's just one of these important patterns in Elliott wave. B waves can be very chameleon-like, take different shapes, you know. They don't need to be necessarily just normal ABC structures, so they can be triangles, more complex corrections. They're very frustrating, or they're frustrating a lot of people. So, but overall, there is no evidence a low is in wave 2. Of course, this could morph a little bit. For now, I'm just saying that 56.7 cents is support. I don't really have any other support. I mean, yeah, these 4 fib levels, 68.9 cents, 65.1, 61.5. I don't have a more aggressively bullish count. If it shoots up from here, I have to accept that the wave 2 might have been extremely weak, which again is possible. But first indication that it tries to break out to the upside would be a break above 78.7 cents, the internal B wave there. Yeah, that's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.